Have you ever wondered what secrets lie deep within the Amazon rainforest, nestled between its lush foliage and hidden beneath its towering canopies? Welcome to an adventure of epic proportions, a tale of courage, resilience, and discovery set in the heart of the world's largest tropical rainforest. Our story begins with a daring explorer, armed with nothing but an indomitable spirit and a thirst for knowledge. They embark on a journey into the Amazon, where every step is shrouded in mystery and every path is a new adventure. The Amazon rainforest, spanning over 2 million square miles, is a world teeming with life. Home to an estimated 400 billion individual trees representing 16,000 species, this vast wilderness is a treasure trove of biodiversity. But beyond its natural wonders, it's a realm where the line between folklore and reality blurs. Our adventurer, guided by the wisdom of the indigenous tribes and driven by their unyielding determination, ventures deeper into the forest. They navigate treacherous terrains, cross turbulent rivers, and tread along the dense undergrowth, their every step echoing with the symphony of the wilderness. They encounter the elusive jaguar, the king of the Amazon, in a heart-stopping face-off. They marvel at the vibrant plumage of the scarlet macaw, a sight that paints the green canvas of the forest in hues of red, yellow, and blue. They witness the mystifying rituals of the indigenous tribes, a testament to the harmonious coexistence of man and nature. In the midst of the journey, they stumble upon an ancient artifact, a relic of a civilization lost to the sands of time. It's a discovery that challenges what we know about our history, a testament to the untold stories buried deep within the heart of the Amazon. But the Amazon rainforest is not just a realm of adventure and discovery. It's a poignant reminder of the delicate balance of our ecosystem. It's a testament to the resilience of life and a plea for coexistence. As our adventurer journeys through the Amazon, they bear witness to the impact of deforestation and climate change, a sobering reality that underscores the urgency of preservation. In summary, the Amazon rainforest is a world of epic adventure, a realm where courage, resilience, and discovery collide. It's a journey that challenges the adventurer, unveils the secrets of nature, and uncovers the untold stories of our past. But amidst the thrill of adventure, it's a stark reminder of the fragility of our ecosystem and the urgent need for conservation. This adventure in the Amazon rainforest is a testament to the indomitable spirit of exploration. It's a celebration of the wonders of nature, a discovery of the untold stories of our history, and a call to action for the preservation of our planet. So the next time you find yourself yearning for adventure, remember the Amazon rainforest. Remember the courage of the explorer, the secrets of the forest, and the untold stories waiting to be discovered. And most importantly, remember our responsibility towards our planet. Because every adventure is a journey, and every journey is a chance to make a difference.